In today's fast-moving industrial world, companies depend on a wide range of assets to keep things running. From machines and vehicles to heavy equipment, tracking and maintaining everything isn't easy. The challenge is even bigger in large mining operations, where assets are spread across different sites and teams work in tough conditions. Accurate records, regular inspections, and on-time maintenance are essential to keeping operations efficient and safe. Our client faced exactly this scenario and needed a solution that could provide centralized visibility, structured workflows, and operational control while being practical for teams on the ground. At Zealous, we began by closely studying their operational workflows, inspection processes, and compliance requirements. The result is a custom asset, inspection, and maintenance management platform that connects web-based administration with real-time field operations. Let's take a closer look at how the admin panel enables teams to manage assets efficiently from a single centralized interface. Hello and welcome. I'm Ellie from Zealous Systems. I'll give a walkthrough of the web-based as well as mobile-based platform and see how different modules work together, beginning with the admin panel. After logging in, the admin lands on the Assets module, which serves as the central repository for all registered assets. Assets are organized using a hierarchical location structure, country, region, and multiple subregions, ensuring accurate mapping to physical mining sites. Admins can filter assets by location hierarchy, asset type, inspection status, and inspection dates. The filtered asset list displays each asset's unique RFID or QR code, asset type, full location details, last inspection date, inspection status, and inspection type, enabling quick identification of overdue or uninspected assets. From this module, admins can initiate inspections, edit asset details, or register new assets using the Take on Asset feature. While creating an asset, the admin selects the location hierarchy, enters required details, and saves the record. Once created, the asset is immediately available for inspections and maintenance tracking. The Asset Location module presents a hierarchical breakdown of countries, regions, and subregions, allowing admins to analyze asset distribution across operations. Each asset is assigned a unique QR code generated through the Generate QR module. Admins can create QR codes in bulk, export them as PDF files, and attach them to physical assets. These QR codes are scanned via the mobile app for inspections and maintenance. Inspection management is a core capability of the admin panel. Inspections can be initiated from the web panel or the mobile app, with all completed, pending, and newly created inspections visible in the Inspection Reports section. Reports include inspection status, dates, asset RFID, asset type, inspection type, site location, inspector details, and captured images. Inspector groups are managed in the Inspection Admin module, where admins can create site-specific groups, add or remove inspectors, and use these groups during scheduling to ensure efficient workload distribution. When issues are identified, maintenance requests raised through the mobile app are reflected in the Maintenance module. Admins can filter maintenance records by location, asset type, criticality, and status. Maintenance reports include start and end dates, asset RFID, asset type, criticality level, site location, corrective actions, and total maintenance costs covering material and labor. The Maintenance Codes module manages billing and vendor details. Each maintenance task can be linked to a maintenance company, with invoices generated containing asset details, actions performed, material costs, and labor charges. These records can be exported in Excel format for financial reporting. Preventive maintenance is managed through maintenance scheduling, where admins can select locations, assign maintenance companies, define maintenance dates, and use filters to track scheduled activities. The Reports module provides analytical insights, including site activity reports, user activity reports, inspection sign-off reports, installation certificates, and image galleries. Site activity reports summarize inspections, maintenance status, asset registrations, and retirements, while user activity reports track inspector performance. Inspection sign-off reports include inspection details, images, inspectors, and effective dates. Installation certificate reports track pending and completed certifications. The admin panel also supports password management and a multilingual interface, enabling seamless operations across regions. Now let's take a quick look at how the Mining Asset Management mobile application works. This is the login screen, followed by the home page, which serves as the central hub for all activities. When a new asset arrives at the mining site, its details are added by scanning the unique QR code. Using the Add Asset option, users can enter and save all required information. Asset details can be viewed anytime by rescanning the QR code. The application also supports regular asset inspections. By scanning the QR code, users can initiate an inspection, select assessment types, add observations, and capture images or record audio as needed. If maintenance is required, users can log it directly from the inspection by entering maintenance actions, criticality levels, affected areas, and supporting media. Created maintenance tasks can be updated, resolved, and closed once completed. The app also allows uploading installation certificates for relevant assets. It supports offline usage with a manual sync option. This concludes the overview of this asset management admin panel. The project was delivered through a structured, phase-based development approach. We began with detailed requirement gathering to understand mining operations, asset workflows, inspection cycles, and compliance needs. This was followed by solution design, where system architecture, data models, and user flows were defined to support both web and mobile users. During the development phase, modules were built incrementally with regular reviews to ensure alignment with real operational scenarios. This was complemented by thorough testing across workflows, devices, and environments to ensure reliability in field conditions. Finally, the platform was deployed with data configuration, user onboarding, and support, ensuring a smooth rollout and readiness for scale. The platform is built on a modern tech stack: Core.NET with SQL for the web, and Core Java for Android and Swift for iOS, ensuring reliable, scalable, and cross-platform performance for both admins and field teams. The platform demonstrates a scalable, structured, and data-driven platform for managing mining assets, inspections, and maintenance across complex operational environments by Zealous Systems.